So three things every dentist must include in their ad creatives. Okay. So the first one is having a patient-centric hook. Your ad should never start with "we provide dental implants" or "advanced cosmetic dentistry available," right? Because the patients doesn't care about your services first, right? They care about the problem. So always make sure that you're starting with what they are feeling, like struggling to chew food properly, or hiding your smile in photos, or tooth pain getting worse at night, right? So if the hook isn't upon them, they scroll, right? So always make sure that your ad creatives is always starting with a patient centric hook. So now the second point is state the problem in patient language. So dentists, they think clinically, patients think emotionally, right? So don't say something like, severe periodontal deterioration,
What?
right? Just say like your gums bleed every time you brush, food keeps getting stuck and it smells, or something like you avoid smiling in pictures, right? So when patients hear exactly what they are struggling with in their language, they feel understood, right? So that was the second point. Now let's talk about the third point, which is create seriousness by explaining the consequences of delaying the treatment, right? So most ads, they talk about benefits, right? Very few explain like what happens if the treatment is delayed, right? For example, you can say a small cavity today becomes a root canal tomorrow, right? Or something like bone loss increases over time, or a missing tooth can completely, like it can start shifting your entire bite, something like that. So creating a sense of seriousness, like seriousness creates action, right? Not fear, but just more clarity. So once you have done these three things, then you introduce the treatment, right? And that's when implants, aligners, or RCT, they feel like solutions and not as promotions, right? So yeah, that's it. So if your ads aren't structured like this, so you're not really running ads, you're just posting posts. So fix your creatives first.